Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to do multiplication and division for polynomials. So question number one is we are going to learn how to multiply two monomials. So the rule is you have to multiply the coefficients of monomial and then the variable terms. So let us see question number one, 24x square y square into 3xy. Here the coefficient is 24 and here the coefficient is 3. So you have to multiply 24 into 3 and then x square into x. Here the power of x is 1 and then y square into y. So here I have done it, and then after multiplying, here is the answer. Here the power of x is 2 and here the power of x is 1. So 2 plus 1 exponential rules and you have to multiply in the same way. So here is the answer. Next question number 2. I am multiplying monomial with a binomial. That is binomial means having two terms. Now the rule is first this monomial should be multiplied by this term and then it should be multiplied by the other term. So let us see how. So first we are going to multiply minus 2xy into x. Then here is negative sign, so minus plus. Minus plus is minus, so here I have written minus. Then 2xy into y. And then you have to multiply it. Here is the answer. Number 3. Here we are multiplying binomial to binomial. Means 5x plus 7 into 3x plus 4. So the rule is first you have to take the first term of this expression. So first term is 5x. This whole expression should be multiplied by 5x first. Then you have to see the sign. Here sign is plus. So you have to put here plus. Then 7. So you have to put here 7. So 7 into 3x plus 4, another. This term again. Now after this, again the way you have multiplied here in this second question, you have to do the further calculation. That is 5x, you have to multiply it with 3x. So first you have to multiply coefficient, constant coefficient with constant coefficient and then variable. So 5 3s are and here 15 and power of x is 1. Here the power of x is 1. Power will get added up. So it will be 15x square. Then 5x into 4. That is 5 4s are 20x. Again plus sign is here. So plus sign. Then 7 3s are 21x. And again here see the sign plus plus plus. 7 4s are 28. Now again you can, if you have to check whether you can simplify or not. If there is no like terms, then the answer will be here only, you will get the answer. But here you can see like terms are there, that is 20x and 21x. So that means you can add it plus plus plus. So 20 plus 21 is 41x and rest is as it is. So this is your answer. Now one more method is there for multiplication, that is in column wise. How to add column wise. So I have done the same question by that method also. So here it is 5x plus 7 into 3x plus 4. First you should have to multiply this whole term by 3x. So 3 5s are 15 and x into x is x square. Then you have to multiply 3x by 7. So because see 7 is having plus sign, 3 is also carrying plus sign. So plus plus you have to write here plus. Then 3 7s are 21x. I have written here. So multiplication over. Now in the second line, now you have to start multiplying it with 4. So 4 5s are 20 and x is also there. So 20x and here is x is there. So that means they are like terms. You can write it in just below that. So I have written here 20x. Again multiply. Again the sign, you check the sign. Here is plus sign, here is plus sign. So here will be plus. 4 7s are 28. Now add up. After adding, you will get this answer. Next question, again we are going to do it by column method. So 3m minus 4 into 2m minus n. So first again we will multiply this whole expression by 2m. See the sign first. The sign of 2 is carrying plus sign. 3m is also carrying plus sign. So plus plus, here plus sign will be there. So 2 3s are 6 and m into m is m square. So here I have written. Now next 2m into 4n. 2 is carrying plus sign, 4n is carrying minus sign. So plus minus is minus. 2 4s are 8. 8m into n. So for 8m into n, you can write 8mn. Now multiplication is over. You can multiply it with 3n, minus 3n now. Here 3 minus 3n is there. So minus, here is sign plus. So minus plus is minus. 3 3s are 9 mn. Or you can, if you will write nm, then also it is same, because m into n is equals to n into m. So there is no difference in this. So minus 9mn, and then again minus plus 3 4s are 12, n into n square. Now add them. So when you will add, you will get this answer. Next is, if you are multiplying a trinomial by trinomial, the rule is same. First you have to take the first expression, that is first term, that is 9x square. 9x square multiplied by this whole bracket. Whole bracket I have written, you see. The next term is minus x. So right here minus x. Then again whole bracket. Then again plus 15. And again this whole bracket. And as I have taught you how to multiply monomial by a binomial or trinomial, likewise you need to multiply all. And just check the sign properly. If you will do mistake in putting the sign, then definitely you will get wrong answer. So 9x square into x square, here it is, because here coefficient of x square is 1. So 9 into 1 is 9, and x to the power 2 into x to the power 2, it will give you x to the power 4. Here again 9x square into x. Here it is 9 is carrying plus sign, here is negative sign, so plus minus minus, so 9x cube. Again here sign will be minus, 9x square into 1 is 9x square. Now here you see outside when negative sign is there, so definitely whatever sign are there in this expression, it will get reversed. Reverse means it will take opposite sign of that, because outside is negative sign. It will change the sign of this whole polynomial. So minus x into x square is x minus x cube, minus plus x into x square, minus plus x into 1 x. Now here is plus sign. If outside plus sign is there, then no issues. Whatever sign this polynomial is carrying, you will get the same sign in the next step also. So 15 into x square, 15x square, then plus minus 15x and minus 15. Now arrange all the like terms together and then solve it. I have arranged here in order. Now I am going to solve it. In the first step we have multiplied, here we have arranged like terms together. So 9x to the power is alone, so 9x to the power 4. Minus 9x cube minus x cube, so minus plus 9 plus 1 10, so 10x cube. Here is minus 9x square plus x square. So you can solve these two first. You will get minus 8x square, minus 8x square, and then 15x square. One more like term is there. So it will give plus 7x square, because 15 is carrying plus sign, so you will get plus sign here. So after solving these three, you will get 7 plus 7x square. And then my x minus 15x, that is minus 14x and minus 15. Now we are going to learn how to do division. Here we are dividing a monomial by monomial. 24x square y cube by 3xy. So you can divide this directly. If there is monomial, then no issues. You can divide it like that. So from this y, 1y and 1y will get cancelled. Y square will remain. From 1x will get cancelled and 1x will remain. And 3 8s are 24. So the answer is 8xy. This is how we are dividing. If 24 carries negative sign, then here will be negative sign. Either 24 or 3 if carries negative sign, so you will get here one negative sign. Now second question, minus 72 x square y square z divided by minus 12 x y z. In the similar way, z and z will get cancelled, or you can apply exponential law also, it's your wish. And then y and y will get cancelled, x and x will get cancelled. So here 1x and 1y will remain, and here negative sign is there, so minus and minus sign, it will get cancelled. So result will be positive, and 12 ones are 12, 12 6 are 72. So the answer is 6xy. Now suppose you are dividing a trinomial by monomial. This is the expression. You have to divide this algebraic expression by 5m. So you can divide it individually. This divided by 5m, 5m, 5m. Just divide it, and whatever answer you are getting, that will be your quotient. So after dividing it, that is, you will get m square minus 6m plus 9. Here you can see 5 get cancelled, m and m will get cancelled, m square, and 1m will get cancelled, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 9s are 45, m cancel. Now when you are dividing a trinomial by monomial, then you have to pay attention. Then the rules is different, that you cannot divide in the previous method what we did it just now. So you have to divide. Here is the divisor and here is the quotient. Now first of all, you have to see which is the first term. The first term is x square. So your target is, you have what you will multiply with this expression, so that you will get here x square. And remember one thing, if here is minus x square, then you have to think of by which number we can multiply this divisor, so that you should get minus x square here. So I have done here rough work. We want here x square, because here it is x square, so here we need x square. So x minus 2, you can, I have tried it with x. Let us multiply it with x. So x into x is x square, and x into 2 is 2x. Sign will be negative. So here like this you have to check it. Then that means you have multiplied it with x. So x I have written here, and the result x square minus 2x I have written here. Now whenever you are carrying division, then you have to change the sign. We used to put negative sign here, no? So for the polynomials also you have to put negative sign, or whichever sign is there, you have to, the sign will get reversed, because we are putting one minus sign here. So earlier here was positive sign. Now because we are dividing, so we have to put here minus sign. So here it will become x square will take negative sign now, and minus 2x, it was earlier 2x was carrying minus sign, but now due to division process, sign will get, minus sign will convert into plus sign. Now you have to solve. Minus 4x plus 2x, it will give minus 2x, and x square minus x square, this term will get cancelled. Now next you need here minus 2x. So your target is, don't see this part, just you see here is minus 2x, what you should multiply here, so that you will get minus 2x. So x minus 2, multiply it with minus 2. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. So here is minus 2x plus 4, and here you have to multiply it with minus 2. So here I have written minus 2. Now again this sign will get changed, because while dividing we are putting one minus sign. So this, for this polynomial, it will get changed, minus sign will convert it into plus, and plus will become minus. So 4 minus 4 0, minus 2x plus 2x is 0. So your quotient is x minus 2. Next question, x square minus 4 divided by x plus 2. Now here I have introduced one term, that is x. Because you are beginners, you should have to do like this. When you will go in advanced stage, then no need of introducing this variable. Now you know that 0, if the coefficient is 0, anything multiplied it with 0, it will give 0. So expression does not change. It is same. It is equal to x square minus 4 only. This expression and this expression are same. Okay. Just to make it easy, we have to introduce one more variable with means one more expression, one more term, that is 0 into x. So let us start. Now you have to divide this expression by x plus 2. So we need here x square. So what we should multiply with x plus 2, so that I should get x square. So here I have done it, x into x, it will give you x square. So multiply x by this whole expression. So this is x square plus x into x is x square and x into 2x. This is 2x. Okay, this is 2x. So x square, here I have written x square plus 2x. Now because we are dividing, so we have to change the sign. So here it is minus sign. I have put minus sign here, and here also I have sign will get changed. So here it will become minus. So here is 0. 0x minus 2x, it will give you minus 2x. And here this expression, it will get cancelled. Now take minus 4. Now we want minus 2x to get cancelled. So what we should multiply with this expression so that you should get minus 2x. So we will, x is here, so 2 into x is x, we have to put minus sign here. So minus 2 into x plus 2. So you will get minus 2x minus 4. Now again you have to change the sign. So minus will become plus and minus will become plus. So plus 4 minus 4, 0, minus 2 plus 2x, sorry, minus 2x plus 2x, it will become 0. So your quotient is x minus 2. One more question, it is from exercise only. You can go through. 14x square minus 53x plus 45 divided by 7x minus 9. So first you have to multiply 7x minus 9. What you will multiply so that you will get here 14x square. So here is 7, and you know 7 2s is 14. And we want x square. So what we will multiply? So with, you have to multiply 2x into 7x minus 9. So 2 7s are 14x square minus 2 9s are 18x. And this I have written here. I have multiplied it with 2x, so that's why I have written here 2x. Now again the rule is to change the sign. So here positive sign was there, so it will become negative. Here negative sign was there, so it will become positive. Now minus 53x plus 18x, it will give minus 35x. And 45 plus 45 we have taken, and 14x square minus 14x square, it is get cancelled and you will get 0. Now our target is to cancel minus 35x, because we need minus 35x. So you have to think of the number which should be multiplied with 7x so that it will give minus 35x. So as we know 5 7s are 35. So we have to multiply, because we need minus sign, that's why we are minus sign. So we need to put minus 5 here. Minus 5 into 7x, that is minus 35x, and minus minus plus 5 9s are 45. Here it is. We have multiplied it with minus 5, so I have written here minus 5. And then again change the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. 45 minus 45, 0. Minus 35x plus 35x, 0. So quotient is 2x minus 5 and remainder is 0. So now you rest of the questions related to multiplication and division solve in your copy. If you do have any problem, you can mention in comment box that this number question you can explain, that I will be doing it. Now today's question is, just listen carefully and you have to answer that in comment section only. Can we divide a binomial by a trinomial? Yes, you have to answer yes. Then you have to give one example. If no, then you have to write one example. Once again, I am repeating. Can we divide a binomial by a trinomial? You have to answer yes or no, and then by giving one example. Thank you.